Hello kids! Today we are going to make some 3D shapes and you have to tell me which 3D shape it is. It's a cube. Let's make another 3D shape. It looks like a triangle, but it is called pyramid. So this 3D shape looks like a circle, but it is known as sphere. We have one more 3D shape which looks like a triangle. However, it is known as cone. When we make a 3D rectangular shape, that means it is a cuboid, just like a box. So here we draw one more 3D shape and let's see how it looks like. Yes, it looks like a can, but it is called cylinder. So let's change these shapes into some things. A cube can be changed into a dice. A pyramid can change into a real pyramid, which is a place, and a sphere can change into a ball. As you can already see, which ball is it? Yes, it's a football. And a cone can change into a birthday hat. Can you see? And we are changing our cuboid into a box. It can be a mystery box, and a cylinder can change into a can. Now we are coloring these shapes. Keep watching the video.